Hey guys, are you still sleeping on this opportunity, this wonderful opportunity called Catly.io? The reason why I keep talking about this website or this airdrop is because this airdrop have been making people millionaire. They have been fetching people a lot of money. So, and the beauty of this is because this you can withdraw your money any moment, anytime you want, once your staking is finished. Okay, like if you watch this video, this is my first video concerning Catly.io, where I teach you guys how you can register. If you haven't watched this video, go and watch this particular video so that you will understand what we are talking about here. So this is the second video where I talk the same Catly.io because it's working. That's why I'm talking about that. So this is the last video where I still talk about Catly.io. Okay, so this website is great and it's making a lot of people money, a lot of money to be made here. So the reason why I keep showing you about this Catly.io is because I'm gaining or I'm making a lot of money using this strategy that I'm going to teach you right now. So what you are going to do is to come here and watch this first video. If this is the first time of watching this video, if you have been watching my video, welcome back. I love you guys. That's why I keep my time to make more video, more interesting video on how you can make a lot of money using this Catly.io. I still have a lot of videos where you can learn how to make money, how to make more money. Okay, you can come here and watch some of my videos where I explain the practical way on how to make money. Welcome, this is Online Money Hunter, a place where we teach the practical way on how to make money online. This is the 2 days we upload this video, and we are going to upload this one so that you will understand that this Catly.io are making a lot of people millionaire. Okay, the only thing is that you are not doing it in the right way. You are not doing what others are doing. That's why I'm here to guide you on how you can make more money. So without wasting much of our time, we are going to go to Catly.io, where I will explain more, or I will throw more light on how you can make more money. Remember, we are heading to $1,000. Okay, we are heading to $1,000 and everything is practical. I'm going to be showing you this till we reach our $1,000. Okay, so that's our mission. Okay, and I'm going to show you the reason why you should keep investing in Catly.io. I don't care what other people are saying, whether they call it scam or whether they call it anything, but as far as I can invest and withdraw my money anytime that I want, that's what I call investment. That's what you are going to be doing by following me. Always remember that I'm not a financial advisor. What I do here is, once I see something that is working for me, I will come direct and show you how I'm doing, and I believe that if you follow me step by step, you will get exact result. Okay, so $1,000 is our aim in this project. Okay, if this is the first time of watching this video, you need to register, and registration is free. You are going to get 500 Catly. So after registration, you can do what I'm about to ask you now to do. So let's go. Let me show you the practical way. So we are here in Catly.io. Okay, if this is your first time, what you are going to do is to click on this create account. Once you click on create account, you put your valid email, create password, confirm password, and put this thing and put this cap. After doing that, you will see invitation. If you are using my link directly, you will see my link here. No need of putting anything here. Then you can click on continue. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me log in. I click on login. I click on this place. I click on the cap. So here we are in, like the last one I made, the last video I did, I deposit $100, $103 here, and you can see that I have been making a lot of money after that. Okay, so but I'm going to show you how you can make more money. Okay, what you are going to be doing to make more money using this my strategy. What I'm going to show you now is secret. Once I click on this token here, I'll go down. Okay, you can see that we are still in phase 1. Okay, we are still in phase 1, which simply means that we still have a long way to go, and this simply means that you are going to be making money every day by day. Okay, so I don't think that this website, even if this website is fake, I don't think this website will collapse any time now. Okay, so Let me show you something. You can see here they have raised at 4.78%. This is the net sold. Okay, the net sold is 34.78%. So, and if you come down here, you will see that what their need is 70%. Okay, 70% of the pre-sale sold. So that's what their need, 70% of the pre-sales sold. So you can see here they are staying in 34.78%, which simply means that we still have a long way to go. Okay, we still have a long way to go for them to complete this first phase. Okay, after this first phase, we enter the second one, which is what they need to complete all those ones before they can enter the third and fourth. Okay, and if they are making money with this, do you think that they will just close this website like that? No. A good business person can never do that. Okay, so let me show you more. You click on this place, and if you come to this reward, okay, let me come to this place, these details. I click on details. You will see that I have been staking. Okay, this is the first one, 500 they give me, and I stake. I stake its end, and I stake another one its end. So this is how I have been staking. Can you see that? And once it ended, they will release my coin for me. Okay, that's the beauty of it. They will release both capital and profit here. And once they release it, if I want, I can sell it. If I don't want, I can restake it again. So you can see what I'm doing. This is the secret of how I'm going to get to $1,000. Okay, so you can see here, this one will expire tomorrow, this one will expire next tomorrow, and this one will expire on 24th. Okay, this one follows, and this one follows, and this one follows. This is how I have been doing it. This one is 3 days, this one is 3 days, this one is 2 days, this one is 1 day. Okay, you can see, if you notice here, you will notice that this is how I have been doing it to get where I am now. And you can do the same thing. Don't wait. If you want to make more money and you don't want to invest too much on this project, what you are going to do is to reinstake. Okay, reinstake more. Okay, once you restake, you will get more money. Okay, once you reinstake, you will get more money. So that's how I'm doing this here. I'm going to show you this practical on how you can do it also. So you can see it that everything I'm doing here, I show you the practical. We are not the type that will be talking without showing you how you can do yours to get exact results. Okay, you click on this reward. Okay, once you click on reward, you can see the on stake. This one on stake. Okay, this is today. This one on stake today. And if you notice, you will see commission. And another thing is that you need to tell people about this project. Okay, you need to tell people about this project. Don't just invest and relax. If you want to relax, that's fine. Okay, but if you want to make more money, what you need to do is to make sure that you invite your friends, give them this video, share this video on your status or any place or your social media. Tell them to use your own personal link, your referral link. Okay, the only thing you are going to give them this video is for them to watch, and after watching this video, they are going to come back to you and ask you about your referral link. Or before you show them this video, give them the link, okay, your referral link to register. It's very simple. I'm not asking them to register with my own referral link. Please, if somebody refer you to this video, make sure you use that person's referral link to register. Okay, so this is how I have been making this money. So that's that. I'm going to show you more on how you can make more money. But before then, I'm going to show you something here. You click on this place and you will see that I have 213.11 USDT, which I can withdraw anytime that I want. Okay, the reason why I can withdraw this anytime that I want is because every day the ones that I stake will unstake. Okay, almost every day. That's the reason why I want you to use this my strategy. You can be withdrawing the unstake one, and if you like, you can stake it again. So that's how you can do it every day. Make sure you stake if you want it to if you want to make more money, or if you want it to accumulate more, you going to do this the way I'm asking you, and you are going to see how I'm doing it, okay? Without even it get unstaked by itself, you need to be adding, you need to be staking your profit, okay? Staking your profit. So this is it. If you click on this place, you will notice that I have 213.11, and tomorrow it will keep increasing because I keep restaking it. Okay, so let me go back and show you how you can stake. Okay, you can see here what I earn daily is 1427. So if we go to this stake here, you will see how much I have here. I have 5380. Okay, this is it. How much that I have here. If I check, let's go back, let me check how much I will get if I'm to sell it right now. Let me check how much that I'll get. I click on this place, then I will click on the wallet. So once I click on wallet, I will click on this sell here. This is the reason why I love this website. You can sell at any moment you want. So I click on that amount. That's 5380.274. So once you click on this place, it will tell you the amount that you are going to get on this. So I click on this. You can see here I will get 17.9342, okay, USDT. And if I'm to sell this right now, I will get it instantly on my Binance, because my Binance have already been connected already, okay? You can see that from the beginning of this registration, your Binance will be bind on this particular airdrop, okay? This website, it will bind there. So what are you waiting for? This is just a token, 17 points. If I want to sell it now, I will sell it. But like I said, that I will be building this project until $1,000, so that you will see everything the way it is. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on stake, because I'm going to restake it again. You can see how much that I'll be getting in daily. We are going to check whether this will change. This is 1421.880. okay? So let me click on this place. I click on this stake, okay? Enter the stake amount. This is place that you need to stake the amount you want to stake. So I click on 5380, okay, 0.274, okay? So once I click on this, I will click on this place, okay? This is to know how much that I will get as profit in 15 days, okay? Once I click on this place here, I tap on it, you can see that I'm going to get 9.684, okay? That's the profit with the $17 that I will invest. With $17 in 15 days, I'm going to earn 9.684. That's the amount I'm going to get, okay? So once I click on this stake here, you can see it have already been staked. Can you see that? The amount have changed already. Can you see it? If I'm go back to this place, you will see that 0.274 is the amount, because I can't stake this point from this place until it get to this particular place. That's from 0 points, okay? So what I'm going to do right now, you can see it that I have 1583, okay? Let me check 1583 how much that it is if I want to sell it. 1528, I think 1583, 1583, 1583, 1583. So I check. If you want to always come here to check how much you will get, that's 5.2767. That's this new stake that I did here, okay? Assuming I want to sell it right now, okay? Because this is the buyback price. That's 300 Catly for $1, okay? If you check it, you will know that I will get this exact amount. So that's where they are make their own money. They are sell 250, then they are buy 300, keeping their own share, okay? That's the reason why I say that if I'm not seeing where they are making their own personal money, I don't think I will invest. Okay? But that's where they get their own money. Do you know millions of people that invest in this Catly and how much they are paying for fees to withdraw? That's the reason why you are going to join me here on this task, that you are going to get $1,000 in short while. So if I keep doing this like this, $1,000 is sure. Okay, so but I will advise you, if you can't take risk like me, what you are going to do is that once you invest and it reach 15 days, you withdraw your capital and invest your profits. Okay, that's how I always teach my students. So if you want to be part of us in Telegram, all you need to do is join us through the description and the comment below, where I will share the link to join us. It's very simple, because I'll be dropping updates that I am not be able to drop in this YouTube. Okay, I'll be dropping it in our Telegram so that you can know what is happening and how you can make more money using our strategy. That's what I show you in our Telegram. So make sure you join, and I'm here and there to answer your question 247. Any type of question at all, I'm there to answer your question. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you like what I'm doing right here. Make sure you comment and like this video. Please like this video so that a lot of people can make money the way you are making money right now. I still have a lot of ways of making money online. What you are going to do is just come to this our YouTube channel and make sure that you watch some of my videos where you can make more money by airdrop. Crypto is the way forward if you want to make that kind of money that you want to make in life. Make sure you join us in crypto, because I teach a lot of things. If you watch this video concerning this about me, this Africa arbitrage system is going to make a lot of people millionaire this year. You are going to watch this video and wait for my signal. Once I say start registering and start funding your wallet, you can fund your wallet and make more money. This is Referral. If you are not yet in our wait list, you can make sure you watch this particular video and be at the wait list where you can get free airdrop once the time comes. Okay, there's a lot way to make money with my strategy. Make sure you watch my videos one after the other. Okay, making money is my hobby. That's why I teach you how I'm doing it. Okay, I'm not asking you for any money. So I want to see you at the top. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye.